It's an emergency. In this town, they don't have a lot of money, so they can't afford the sirens. So the fire truck here, he doesn't have the sirens on because they can't afford it in this town. But let's just go ahead and follow him to the emergency. There's a 911 call. Where are we going, fireman? He's going 100 miles. I can't keep up with him. He went behind the CVS. I don't see any fire or any emergency. He went the wrong way. That's not a very smart fire truck. That's not very smart emergency. He's on the move. He can't even find where the emergency is. They got bad communication systems in this town. This is fire truck R2 to dispatch operator. We cannot find the destination of where the fire is. Can you please map us the directions, or again, turn left, turn left. I lost the fire truck, but I'm addicted to car washes.